What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen. Man, you see the box, you see the title, you see the box logo, you know what's going on. Make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, social media, Twitter, Facebook, all that good stuff. We don't cook food. Just before we get started, let's go ahead and knock that out. Just so you guys are up to date, you know what we're cooking up next, you know what's available. But enough of that, you know what the deal is, man. Air Force has definitely gained a lot of popularity the last few years with the memes and everything else. But without further ado, these are the Nike Supreme Air Force Ones. Newest ones I just dropped a couple days ago. As always, you can use our videos as a legit check. If you have any questions, discrepancies, pause the video at any point, because anything you see on the channel is cooked for retail and authentic. So let's go ahead and get into this, man. Welcome back. All right, everybody, as I was saying, this is the box itself. Not too shabby. This is a size 9.5 for reference, just so you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in for you guys, just so you guys know the deal. Retail was this, cha-ching, and right now this size is going for about this right now. I think I'm gonna start asking you guys before I do the actual unboxing, what do you guys think? Like, would you cop them for retail? If you cop them for retail, like, obviously you would, but if you cop them for retail, what would you guys do with these? They're not that expensive. Would you rock them, flip them, store them? Let me know. But anyway, here's the box. Nothing too crazy. Simple aesthetics, 9.5. Let's get it. Okay, then here we go with the actual wrapping paper. That's pretty dope. That Supreme went ahead and did that. Nice wrapping paper. Always nice for the collabs. Oh, you guys got a sneak peek. But without further ado, let's get that drum roll going and let's get it. Sheesh. Here they are. The Coke Whites, Air Force Ones, Supreme collab. Damn, these are crispy. Whew. I might drop the camera. They're glistening, shining. What do you guys think? I mean, they're just some simple ones, some Air Forces, but what do you guys think, man? Is this little square, this little rectangle, is it worth it? Let me know after the video, and let's get into this. Alright guys, welcome back. So just wanted to give you guys really the main highlight of the video, which is of course the actual little box logo rectangle in the imprint of the sneaker itself. Now if you're wondering whether or not to buy them, I mean, what do you think? They're pretty clean. You can't go wrong with some classic Forces. If you're into Supreme, what better way to support, right? Now of course they do come with an additional pair of laces, as you can see here. The black ones do come out with their own lacing as well, as you can see in this picture right here. Which one do you guys think is better, laced or unlaced with these? I'll go ahead and, if I can find a comparison photo, I'm gonna go ahead and put it up and right about now. And you guys let me know in the comments whether or not you would rock them with red laces or the white or the black or however. So anyway guys, this is a pretty short video because there's not a whole lot going on with them, but What do you guys think, man? Happy to have hit, happy to have made some profit, of course. If I hit on them in my size, probably would wear them. But let me know what you guys think in the comments, and as always, thank you guys for cooking with us. Take it easy now. Stay safe with this coronavirus, and peace.